All right, hey everybody. My name's Jeff. This is East Texas ADV. I think this is a record for videos I've done in a day. This next video is something simple, something easy, something quick, and something a lot of people overlook, especially when it comes to the SXs, the XCs, the EXCs, all those, they use that cage type filter. Any bike that uses that cage type filter, what I mean by that is, you take, it's a cage, you put inside your preformed filter, and it's got tabs that go over it, it holds it in place, and it keeps it nice and in form when you put it on your bike, which locks in with two tabs in the corners. Well, a problem with these is the inside of the cage that keeps the filter from collapsing in is just a short piece of plastic cut in kind of a pattern like this. Well, over time, filter pushing up against that tab will wear a hole in it. And it's actually a good size hole, and then you're out of filter. I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself hack that you can do in just a few minutes that'll help minimize that potential of a hole. Now, Tusk makes what they call a filter guard protector, I believe. It's about 20 bucks. Man, this, you just use a little plastic cap, you cut an you don't cut an X, you cut kind of an oblong X in the cap, and I'm going to show you how to do that for something you might have laying around the house, and it does work. I want to say thanks to David for pointing me in the direction of this little do-it-yourself hack. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the filter pulled off the bike, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean so that you can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. Anyways, if you haven't had a chance, hit that sub button, hit that bell for future notifications, and as always, man, we appreciate you watching. Please have a wonderful day. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pop this cover off right here. You're going to want to remove your air filter with this little tab right here and pull at the filter itself. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to remove the filter from the cage like so. Careful not to rip it. And what you're looking for is that little indentation right there caused by that little X. That's what you want your little cut to look like. Now this little hack will help prevent this, and I'm going to show you how to. Now you can use any cap like this. We want it about the size of a quarter. Now remember, the angle of the cut is very important. You really want an offset X, not one like I just did. And I'm going to show you why right here. Just make sure you cut all the way through, and you're going to want to place it over the tab. See? I cut it wrong, so it's going to be kind of hard to keep it on there, but it will stay on there. You're going to go ahead and reinstall your filter. Now when you reinstall the cage into the filter, you will minimize the amount that cross section contacts with the filter, so it should minimize the risk of putting a hole in it. Anyways, when you're done, you should have a nice hard surface right here that'll prevent it from getting a hole. Anyways, I want to say have a great day.